normally, typically when you finish a round of golf, you change out your shoes, have a drink and go home. Certainly with the hybrid, you don't have to. You pretty much you play your round of golf, swing as hard as you like, walk as much as you like, head to the bar, head to the car, whatever. You don't even have to think about changing. I've never had a wet foot. I've been comfortable. The things are hardy and last, and they look good. So, I mean, what else you can ask for? The coolness of the yak skin, it feels more like a thick golf glove on your foot. And if you've ever put a golf glove on, a good quality leather glove, you'll just feel that softness. This is what it feels like, you know, on your feet.